The door closes there, you're cutting grass and everything. But I got it back in, got it plugged in, and it is working. The air is moving from the vent to the defrost, to the vent, to the floor. It's moving properly. So we're back in business. Okay, so the air is working. It's moving back and forth to the floor. Blowing out through the vents here. Zone over here. Coming out. The only problem now I have is when I throw on my air conditioning, that's what I get. It's the same way. So if anybody in YouTube Nation can help me out, help Double Steel out, I'd appreciate it. Later.